Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Uber's account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. So to sign up for your Uber Eats driver account, open your Google search and type in Uber Eats driver sign up and make a search. Click on the first link shown on the screen. On the next page, click on Sign Up option and tap on Sign Up to Drive and Deliver. It will take you to the sign up page of Uber. Now enter your email or phone number and click on Continue. Here you can sign up using your Google account or Apple account too. On the next page, confirm your information by entering your first and last name with your phone number, then click on Next. Accept the Uber's Terms and Review privacy notice, tick on I agree and tap on Next. You will now be signed in to your account momentarily. If nothing happens, click on Continue. Decide when, where and how you want to earn. Enter your referral code if you want to and click on Next. You are now logged into your Uber's account. You can add your profile picture, driving license, registration certificate, vehicle insurance, and vehicle commercial permit to set up your account. This is how you can sign up for your Uber Eats driver account. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.